Welcome back to G Fun Facts Online, the channel that brings you the most mind-blowing insights from the world around us. Today, we're diving deep into a technology that's literally building the future, one layer at a time. I am talking about additive manufacturing, or as you probably know it, 3D printing. But forget those tiny trinkets and prototypes you might be picturing. We're going big, really big. Imagine printing entire building walls, massive components for spaceships, or custom parts for gigantic theme park rides. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's happening right now. 3D printing has exploded beyond its origins, and it's tackling the colossal demands of heavy industries. Aerospace, automotive, marine, construction, they're all getting a revolutionary makeover. So, what's fueling this incredible leap? First up, material innovation. We're not just talking basic plastics anymore. Scientists are cooking up high-performance polymers like PEKK and Ultum 9085. These aren't your average plastics. They're super strong, incredibly durable, and can laugh in the face of high temperatures. And get this, the green revolution is hitting 3D printing too. We're seeing more recycled plastics, plant-based polymers, and even biodegradable options. In construction, they're developing specialized 3D printable mortars and concretes. Some printers can now even handle concrete for ultimate durability. Talk about building strong. Next, let's talk speed and efficiency. Nobody likes waiting, especially in big industries. Innovations in printhead technology and multi-material printing are slashing production times. Imagine technologies like continuous liquid interface production, or CLIP, which cures resin continuously, not just layer by layer. This means going from a digital design to a finished product faster than ever. For those huge projects, large format additive manufacturing, or LFAM, is a game changer, especially with thermoplastics. And here's a really cool bit: enhanced multi-material printing. Think about creating an object that's rigid in one part and flexible in another, or has different thermal properties, all printed in a single go. This is massive for aerospace and even consumer electronics. Systems like the Big Area Additive Manufacturing, or BAAM, are developing dual material capabilities, letting us print structures with, say, a tough exterior and a lightweight foam interior. Mind-bending, right? But how do you manage all this complexity at scale? Enter automation and robotics. Robotic arms are now commonly seen in construction, precisely extruding concrete based on digital blueprints. Automated post-processing and even AI-driven real-time monitoring during printing are becoming the norm. This minimizes errors and saves a ton of material. Speaking of AI, it's also revolutionizing design. AI algorithms can dream up lightweight, super strong components, optimize the printing paths, watch over quality in real time, and even predict potential failures before they happen. This means less waste and better products. It's like having a super smart assistant ensuring everything is perfect. And let's not forget sustainability. Traditional manufacturing often means cutting away material, which creates waste. 3D printing is the opposite. It adds material only where it's needed. This precision, combined with the increasing use of recyclable and bio-based materials, makes it incredibly eco-friendly. In construction, faster build times also mean fewer emissions and less noise pollution. Win-win. Of course, to print big, you need big printers. Large format printers are shattering previous size limitations. We're talking about machines that can print entire building walls, massive molds for manufacturing, or even components for wind turbines and ships. Companies like Massivit and Impossible Objects are pushing these boundaries even further. So where is all this amazing tech being used? In aerospace and automotive, it's all about making components lighter without losing strength. Think complex interior parts or even engine components. The marine industry is using it for everything from hull parts to intricate propulsion systems. But perhaps the most visible impact is in construction. Imagine affordable, sustainable houses 3D printed in under 24 hours. It's happening. This reduces labor costs and offers incredible design flexibility. Dubai is even aiming for 25% of its new buildings to be 3D printed by 2030. Industrial tooling, like molds and dies, is also being produced faster and cheaper thanks to large-scale 3D printing. Now, it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges. Finding the perfect material for every specific need, ensuring layers bond perfectly for structural strength, balancing print speed with that smooth surface finish we all love. These are hurdles. And, especially in construction, regulations and standards need to catch up. Post-processing these massive parts can also be a bit of a bottleneck. But the future? It's incredibly bright. By 2025 and beyond, expect to see large-format 3D printing become much more common. Continuous improvements in speed, cost, materials, and the deeper integration of AI and automation will drive this. We're moving beyond just making prototypes to full-scale industrial production of parts that go straight into final products. Think decentralized, on-demand manufacturing closer to where things are actually needed. This could reshape supply chains and unlock possibilities we haven't even dreamed of yet. So, the next time you see a complex piece of machinery or a futuristic building, remember it might just have been printed. Additive manufacturing is not just a trend, it's a revolution in how we make things, from the tiny to the truly colossal. That's all for today's episode of G Fun Facts Online. I hope you're as excited about the future of 3D printing as I am. Join us next time for more fascinating facts and amazing discoveries. Until then, keep wondering.